Hello children, so today we will do chapter number 21 of your GK book. So open page number 27, mental mathematics. Solve these problems. Okay, so there's simple mental mathematics questions are there. It is very easy. How many days are there in 2 weeks? So 1 week 7 days, 2 weeks 14. So answer is 14. How many wheels are there in 9 bicycles? 1 bicycle, 2 wheels. So 9 bicycles, there will be 9 into 2, 18. So answer is 18. How many half hours make a day? See, half hours, okay? So if I say how many hours make a day? 24 hours. So half hours means it will be 24 into 2. So it will be 48, okay? So 48 hours. In 8,000, what is the place value of 8? So it is 1000, ones, tens, 100,000. So 8 is at the 1000 place. So you write 1000, THOUSAND, like this you will write. If you add all the dots on a dice except 3, what number will you get? Okay, so dice, you all play Ludo, no? Dice is there, so there 1 2 3 4 5 6 and digits are there. So it is saying to add all the dots except 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 8 9 10 11 12, 12 plus 6 18. So answer will be 18. How many quarters are there in an hour? 4. Okay, in an hour there are 4 quarters. How many times does I appear when you write 18 in Roman numerals? Children, Roman numerals. So how do you write 18? You make V and then you write 3 times I now. So you write 3. I comes 3 times. Is the number 350 odd or even? Even. 0 is there at last, so it is even. How many even numbers are there between 1 and 10? There are 4 even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we will not count 10 because it is asked between 1 and 10. So 10 will not be counted. What number would you get if you add 3 times 3 and minus 3 from that? Okay, so it is saying add 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and then minus 3 from that. So 9 minus 3, 6. So answer will be 6. Okay. Next is think logically. Okay. So this is also riddle kind of question. Very interesting. First one. What occurs twice in the morning at the start of every night in the middle of a month but never in summer nor in a day? So answer is the letter N. Okay, N comes twice in the morning. See, in the morning there are 2 times of N is coming, night 1 time it is coming, and middle of the month MONTH. So N is coming in the middle of the word month, and summer no N is there. So it is the letter N. If eraser is called paper, paper is called pencil, pencil is called sharpener, and sharpener is called water bottle. What will be you write with? So you write with pencil, no? But here pencil is called sharpener. So answer will be sharpener. Okay. A watch reads 4:30 if the minute hand points east. In what direction is the hour hand pointing? It will be northeast. Okay. Because if you see 4:30 and the hand means the hour clock is at 4 and minute clock is at 30. Okay, so if the minute hand points east, minute hand is in east, so our hand will be obviously between north and east, so it will be northeast. Bonnie, fourth question. Bonnie has a pet dog. Amita loves pets. Ronnie hates dogs. If all the 3 statements are false, who logically has a pet dog? Now see, it is written all the 3 statements are false. Means Bonnie has a pet dog, false. Bonnie doesn't have a pet dog. Amita loves pets, False. Means Amita hates pets. Ronnie hates dogs. False. Means Ronnie loves dogs. So who logically loves dogs? Who logically has a pet dog? Ronnie. Because he loves dogs, so he will only keep. So answer will be Ronnie. At a book launch, a man walked up to the author and said, I have a book that has every word of your book written in it. And most people here do too. The author had the copyright to his book. Then how did this happen? He has a dictionary. Okay, the answer, because in dictionary you will get all the words which you will find in any book. So that is dictionary. Raj was making lunch when his friend Ravi arrived unexpectedly with his 2 kids. Soon the men were sitting in the kitchen having lunch while the kids played outside in the garden and ate grass. The men saw this but did not stop them. Why? See, the baby goats are also known as kids. You know that, no? The baby of a goat is known as kid. So that man actually came with the baby goats. Okay, so that's why they were eating grass. So answer is the kids were baby goats. If a human being has 10,96,173 strands of hair approximately, and there are 2 lakh people in the city, what is the product of the total strands of hair? Now their answer will be 0. Why? Because it is saying that product means multiply, you multiply, right? And if at least there's a possibility that at least one man would be bald, means without hair, and that one, if you add 0, that means he has 0 hair, and suppose whatever number comes and then you multiply it with 0, that answer will be automatically becomes 0. So the answer will be 0. Because it is not saying that you don't have to multiply those people who don't have hair. No, it is saying that you have to means count all the people, 2 lakh people in a city. So possibility is there of bald people also. So their hair will also be multiplied, and their hair is 0. So 0 multiplied to any number, the answer becomes 0. Answer will be 0. Pointing to a man, Reema said, he is the only brother of the only daughter of the wife of my husband. How is the man related to Reema? He is Reema's son. Okay. Now, next one is page number 30. Okay, chapter 24, Environment Quiz. What is the destruction of a forest in order to use it for other purposes called? Answer is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of the trees. What is the increase in the surface temperature of the earth caused by certain gases called? It is called global warming. Okay. Which of these scientists study the materials that form the earth's surface? It is geologist. What are the preserved remains of ancient animals and plants found in the earth called? It is called fossils. Which of these is non-biodegradable? Non-biodegradable means, children, which this cannot be reused. Okay, so answer would be plastics. So because it cannot be broken, so it cannot be used again. Now see here, polythene waste is a major reason for the death of animals. The animals consume these plastic bags. This blocks their digestive canal, resulting in death. So you read this also. Next is chapter 25, that is natural resources. Categorize these energy resources as renewable and non-renewable. So renewable, children, means that which can be renewed, which can be used. Okay, and non-renewable means once it is used you cannot use it again, it is finished. Okay, so see, 2 columns are given, one is of renewable and the other is of non-renewable. So which energies you are given here, substances, and we have to categorize it. So in renewable you write wind energy, it can be used again and again because wind is not going to finish. Hydel energy, that is water. solar energy, sun energy, that is also not going to finish. You can use more and more. Geothermal energy, that is the heat which is derived from the surface of the earth. Okay. Tidal energy means you can convert is energy obtained from tides. Okay. That can be used to in different type of obtaining different kind of powers. Then wood. Okay. So in renewable you write wind energy, hydel energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, and wood. And non-renewable you can write thermal energy, nuclear energy, petroleum, natural gas. So these are limited, we cannot be renewed. So these are the non-renewable energy. So that is all for today, and complete your chapters. Thank you.